Good morning, children. Welcome to social class. So, in social, we are learning the 18th block, which is our animal wealth. Isn't it, children? So, in this, we have learned how humans use animals as a resource of earning money, isn't it? Using dairy farm, poultry, fisheries, and leather products, the silk. Yes, all these things. And in the second topic, we have learned the different wild animals that are found in our country, in India, isn't it? So, in the third topic, we are going to learn about need to protect animals. So, please open your social content book, children, and turn to page number 114, 114. Okay, so in this, you can see the topic need to protect animals. So, in India, animals are facing many problems like people hunt or kill animals for their body parts. Okay, so in earlier days, children, if you see in your content book, you can see the picture of kings and soldiers killing the animals. Okay, they used to go for hunt. Whenever they have free time, they used to go for hunt in the jungles, in the forest, and kill animals. And nowadays also, they people are hunting and killing animals for their body parts. Okay, so for this, if this continues, the number of the animals becomes less. It will be decreased day by day. And if the animals of any particular type decreases, that means the number of that species of animals is reduced, then those animals are said to be endangered. So endangered means an animal or anything, it might be, when it is becoming in danger, when it is in the danger of disappearing from the earth. That means after few years we may not able to see that on earth. So if it is in that situation, if that animal or anything it might be, if it is in that situation, those things are called endangered. Here we are saying that animals are being endangered because the number of animals are being decreased. Okay, and they slowly disappear from the earth. If they are endangered, if we are not protecting it, then they become disappear, they become extinct. Okay, and in India we have that tigers and elephants are endangered animals, as people hunt these animals for their body parts. Why? If you see the, did you know, children, see, the bones of some dead animals are used to make fertilizers, paints, medicines, and pottery. Okay, for pottery purpose. Okay, so if you take the dead animals bones, okay, you are using because they lost their life. But here what people are doing, they are making the animals get killed, and then they are taking the bones, where by which this number of animals are decreasing and becoming endangered. Okay, along with that, deforestation, okay, for their body parts. And the next one is deforestation. So deforestation is removing the forest. So what, where do the wild animals live? They live in forest. So if you deforest, if you remove the forest, if you remove the trees, then where do the animals get their food, this water? So they lose everything and they start searching for them. So as they go on search, they get into the cities and towns where people hunt them, isn't it? They think that it will attack us, before that we will attack and kill it. So in that way, animals are also losing their lives. Okay, in some cases, in search of water and food, they can't find the water and food, and they die because of starvation. So deforestation is also affecting the animals. Okay, and also the natural disasters. Okay, natural disaster like floods, earthquake, all these are naturally happening things. So because of that also, animals have the danger. So natural disaster, we can't do anything. Because of natural disasters, humans also will suffer, isn't it? But deforestation, hunting and killing, it is making the animals to become endangered. And also the climate, and also the change in the climate. So if an animal is in some place, for example, if you take here snow leopard, snow leopard has fur on it. huge fur on it. Why? Because it lives in the cold region. So to protect its body from that coldness, it has lots of fur in it. If you bring that snow leopard into a normal place, then because of the heat and the fur, the snow leopard cannot live in the other or hot places like this. Okay, change in the climate, moving the animals from one place to another also kills the animals. It cannot survive in that different regions. Okay, so in this way animals are facing the problems where by which they are becoming endangered, and it is our responsibility to protect our animal wealth, isn't it? So we should stop hunting and killing the animals, and deforestation also. Those are the two human activities which is causing animals dangers. Okay, children. So this is our topic for today, children. I have given few keywords in your daily schedule. Please learn them and write it in your classwork, and also underline in your content book. And if you find any other words which you find it difficult, you can underline that and write it in your classwork and learn it also. Okay, children. So coming to your question answers. Why are forests important for animals? Because forests are important because they get their food and shelter in the forest, isn't it, children? Yes, so write that in your classwork. Coming to your next question. What dangers do animals face today? So you have five things, isn't it? Animals are hunted for their body parts. Animals are losing their home as the forests are cut down. For the construction of roads, it might be malls, it might be factories, it might be buildings, it might be anything. Forests are getting deforested. And also the natural calamities, that is natural disaster, that is floods and earthquakes also affect the animals. Okay, so write these two answers in your classwork and please learn it, children. Coming to your homework, complete the volume book 3, page number 12, S3, dangers animal face. Okay, so in the next class we will learn about the next topic, children. See you in the next class. Bye.